Is this thing on? Hey, what is up, you guys? I'm gonna talk first, but I have Sam Conley with me. He's the guy in the black hat. And we have a couple of questions for you. Sam, do you want to... So, you want to start off with the story with this vintage, outdated iPad?
Yeah, so Quinn's first iPad was an iPad 1
With no camera.
that I won in a golf tournament, and he got when you were 4 years old.
Yep. I want to say about 4.5 years old.
Yeah. So we used it for a long time.
It still works, but
Still
the battery's
works.
kind of going bad.
Battery is shot. But Quinn, what did you find?
Okay, before I tell the camera what we found, the battery's shot and it has been shot for close to 5 years. Now, what I found was most cell phone repair stores do not do battery replacements on iPad 1s because it's kind of hard to acquire parts but the good news is that I found a battery just for the iPad 1 online. And so Sam, do you want to announce what we're going to do?
We are going to buy the battery.
Well, I thought we were going to vote first.
Oh, well, yeah. We wanted to see what YouTube thinks if we should buy the battery and make a video installing the battery into the iPad 1.
Because this could help other people. And it's going to be a poll system. And what you guys can do, click at the top right corner, and there will be a very small card. And on that card, you tap it, and whichever gets the highest percentage of votes, that is what we will do. I hope you guys have a good day, and we have a YouTuber. We want to give a shout out to YouTube user Yoshi Elevators that is asking us to post more videos with no talking. So I'm going to get that posted first before this one. But you guys have a good day.
Yeah, make sure you vote. Thank you.
Thank you.